Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol VPLM. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then just makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Absolutely monster move, not only from a price action perspective, but you look down here at the volume over the past basically couple of days, and biggest volume this chart has had in quite a while. So several eyeballs on this one. So let's map out some levels of support. Then we can talk areas of resistance. First area of support is what I would consider the ideal level. Meaning, if you say, hey, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? And that would be if the price can stay up above 10 cents. You can already see on a couple of different instances, both there and then during the final 30 minutes. Price didn't quite hit 10 cents, but got relatively close. So if the price can stay up above there, that would certainly make the chart look the most powerful. But don't get me wrong, if the price does fall below it, by no means am I saying that the entire chart's ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if it can stay above it, that would definitely be a huge sign of strength. Next level of support after that, right down here at 7 cents. So 10 cents and 7 cents, two of the near term levels of support. Taking a step back, looking at the big picture of it all, that is where the purple line here comes into play, which is the famous 50-period simple moving average. Keyword there being moving. So as time goes by, that purple line is going to move itself higher and higher. So if you're somebody that's sitting there saying, look, Clay, I just want a very cut and dry way to gauge the health of the move. This right here being defined as the move. If you want a very cut and dry way to gauge that health, again, use that purple line. As long as the price stays above that purple line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the health is 100% bullish. The bulls are in full control, operating at full strength. However you can best visualize that, that is what that purple line is representing. Again, if it can stay up above 10 cents, that would be perfect. But if it doesn't, from the big scope of things, as long as it's above the purple line, the overall trend is fully in the bulls' favor. What about areas of resistance? Two main areas stand out right now. The shorter term one right there at 12 cents. And then if the bulls can push through 12-cent mark, the next key level is just where the party stopped today, and that was right up there around the 13.5-cent mark. So 13.5 cents before you start talking about that one. Bulls first got to get up above the 12-cent mark. All in all, though, no doubt about it, nice move today. We'll see if the bulls can continue to build upon this momentum going forward or not. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.